Finally, Operation Dudula has been taken to court. I like their message, I like what they're doing, but the method in which they're executing it is not a good thing. It's actually illegal to actually go to people and ask for their IDs. So this is in due time. They should be facing criminal charges. Yes, all South Africans agree that South Africa has an illegal immigrant problem. The problem then comes when you use illegal activities to get rid of illegal immigrants.
They are saying that we are harassing them and they're worried about our regalia and all that. And I mean, those are just unfounded things. You can't just say somebody is harassing you because they go into marches and they're fighting for lawlessness. You can't say that. So we will wait for the judgment.
Operation Dudula is not exactly going to court for xenophobia, but the way in which they conduct themselves. For example, number one, there are military outfits. You are not allowed to wear like military regalia that symbolizes that you're a military person while you've never been in the military. That's not a good thing. It's actually illegal for you to do that. Number two, Operation Dudula goes to private citizens and asks for their IDs, which is not under the law. You are not allowed to go to random people and ask for their IDs. You are not a cop. You are not even in government. You are nothing. Even the Minister of Home Affairs, before they do an audit on your ID, they have to come and ask for your permission. If the Minister of Home Affairs needs to check who you are and actually tell the rest of South Africa who you are and check your ID and actually leak your information, they still need to ask for your permission. Like Chedima, Miss South Africa, they asked for her permission to actually expose her. So she gave them their permission. So Operation Dudula has no jurisdiction to actually do this. Let's read this article to find out the details of what happened in court. They are saying that Kopanang Africa Against Xenophobia, Abahlali Basemjondolo Movement, Inner City Federation, and South Africa Informal Traders Forum filed the matter at the Johannesburg High Court. They demand that Dudula must, among other things, stop harassing foreign nationals, interfering with their access to healthcare services, and removing them from their stores where they apply their trade. However, Solomon Kekana, Treasurer General of Operation Dudula, told the court that they know nothing about the case brought against them for xenophobic harassment and they do their operations with the confines of the law. The article continues, in most of our operations, we engage with stakeholders like Home Affairs and SAPS. The thing is, the Department of Home Affairs has distanced themselves from Operation Dudula. Imagine